Hey everybody, welcome back for another car wash review. Today I am in Listowel, Ontario, and I was just passing through and noticed that there's a Petro Canada here. It's behind me, I can't really see. As soon as I turn around you'll see it, but they have a car wash here. I'm not sure if it's touch or touchless, I have no idea. I don't think it's like the typical, most Petro Canadas, it's like a soft cloth conveyor type system, and I don't think that's what this is, but we'll soon find out. I didn't get gas, and it came to $14.99 for the ultimate wash with tax, $16.94, and I believe you get $2 off if you get gas. They gave me a code, and there we go. There's the address. And it says right there, Ultimate Wash, and my code 113. So I'll get out. The van's very dirty again. The last wash we did, it actually did a decent job. That was the Shell in Ancaster, but I did that one on, I think it was the Sunday, and today's Friday. So it's been a few days, and I've had the ground roads and that were wet, so it got dirty again. And we're getting ice. So yeah, you can see the van is dirty, and we've even got dirt up high. So we'll see if this see if it cleans it good. Yeah, quite dirty. Haven't got around to changing my bug deflector thing yet. Oof, jeez, it's getting cold. Supposed to be getting 10 to 15 centimeters of snow in this area later on today. I won't be around for it. I'm heading home. And where I live, we're not supposed to be getting any snow, so. Okay. The entrance to the wash is right behind me here. Let's just scoot around through here. Alright, it says clearance is 7'2". Let's see if I hit it. Nope, didn't hit it. Okay. Oh, let me zoom in on that so you guys can see. You can pause it to read it. Okay. And the code is 113. Ooh, looks like maybe a condor. Yep. Could tell by the LED lights the way it was shaped. Got the little side blasters going. I haven't been through one of these in a long time, actually. the left side's a little less than the passenger. Sign there says it's doing the pre-soak. Looks like it's doing a double pass. Or no, it's just doing the very pass. Oh, here it comes. Yeah, the arm on that side seems to be pumping it out better. Well, I gotta say, I like how slow the arms are moving. I think this is one of the slowest moving condors I've seen. So that's a good sign. Now it says clear coat. Did I skip over the triple foam? Huh. Now it's saying surface protector. I don't think I got the triple foam. I sure just don't remember seeing it. I didn't check to see if it lit up when the pre-soak did its second pass. I wonder when the pre-soak did its second pass, I wonder if the trifoam was lit up. Otherwise, I didn't get it. And the second pass of pre-soak was pre-soak. I didn't see. This is a weird dryer like that. I didn't even notice that. Huh. I've never seen one like that before. Interesting. Oh, it's rubbing against the roof. Hear the squeaking. I don't think I quite made it to the end before it. Well, I'm gonna stop here because there's nowhere to go and there's nobody going into the wash, so I'll be able to do a walk around here. Well, looks like you did a really good job. Wow. Wow. Jeez, really good job. This is tar and that from the roads. Nothing's gonna get that off. I have to scrub that off myself. Oh, it's like all ice here. Wow. I am really impressed. That is like really clean. I think it did a better job than the soft cloth at the Shell last weekend. Wow. And the dryers, the top dryer was really different. The ones on the side, I think I've had those before, but let me know what you think in the comments below. That was it's different. I think this is a whole new. Looks like it's a new gas station and car wash. New car wash maybe. Looks kind of new. It's in good condition. The only thing I didn't get was the tri-foam. I'm pretty positive I didn't get it. I'll have to go back and watch this and see if I caught the lights to see if the tri-foam was lit up when the pre-soak was doing the second pass coming back. So, but yeah, it's the only thing it missed. But I didn't get. I don't think I got tri-foam, but I can't complain because the van came out like really, really clean. Definitely, probably one of the best Condor systems I've been through as far as the job that it did. So, anyways, yeah, let me know if you liked it, and yeah. I think it did a really, really good job. So like, subscribe, comment. I'll post this now on my Instagram account. So if you haven't subscribed to me on Instagram or whatever, be sure to do that, and then you'll know as soon as I review a new car wash. I put it up there. All right. Take care, everyone. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.